Hello everyone, how is it going? Today we are going to expand on automating Excel reports with Python. In the previous two videos, we covered how to generate Excel reports and save them to a network share, and how to send emails with Python. Be sure to check these videos before moving forward. Links are in the description below. With that out of the way, let's dive into it. I have Automate Excel Jupyter Notebook open. This notebook is available on the GitHub repo as well. We have imported all the required libraries. We are using the pyodbc to connect to SQL Server and query the database. I am querying a view. If you have AdventureWorks 2012 database set up, you can grab the view SQL and create the view and run this query. If you do not want to dabble into the SQL, then I have exported the data in an Excel file. It is available in the GitHub repo. All you need to do is set this to the file location. We do not need the connection for the Excel, and instead of read SQL query, it'll just be read Excel. So once you do that, then you can save the file into the data frame, and rest of the steps are the same. We have queried SQL Server and saved distinct territories in the ls variable. Then we saved the output to a network share. Let's assume that few of our users want their reports output via email. So we will build a dictionary with territory as the key and the user email as the value. We can save this mapping in a table and utilize that in our code. But for now, the dictionary will do. We have the key as our territory and email address as the value in our dictionary. We have 4 territories belonging to 2 users, and these will be sent over via email. We will send the filtered data to these inboxes. Then I am going to print out the ls variable containing the unique territories. After this, we are going to check if our dictionary key, the dict key, exists in our ls variable. In the next cell, we define a sender email address from our local SMTP server. Then we have declared an empty data frame, email_df. Using for loop, we get the key and the value in the dictionary. By calling the items method, now we can check if the key of the dictionary exists in our ls variable. If it does, then we print out the value and the key of the dictionary. We append the requested data to our email_df. We compare the df sales territory column against the key. If it is a match, then we append the matching rows to the email_df. This gives us the filtered data frame. Once we have this data frame, then we call the send_dataframe function. We provide this function with required arguments from email, to email, email subject, and the data frame. At the end of the loop, we reset the email_df and set it to an empty data frame. Let's look at the send_dataframe function. This is the main function that sends the email. It is from the previous session, but we will briefly cover it. So, we import the email library, or rather, the necessary component from the email library, smtplib, and IO. At the top of the cell, we are importing our HTML template. We are opening the file in read mode with UTF-8 encoding. We read and save this file in a temp variable. Then we have the exporter dictionary. This holds the file name. And then we call the export_Excel function. It takes data frame as an argument. In this function, we are opening a byte IO buffer. Using the buffer module, it converts it to an object in memory. Buffer helps us mimic our data like a normal file. We manipulate this buffer object in the writer object. Within the writer object, we are formatting the numeric values to currency with 0 decimal places. Also, we are converting the product and the customer columns to lowercase. We hide the index of the data frame and set the background gradient color for the numeric columns. On the data frame, we call to_Excel method with writer sheet name with index set to false. To fit the text in the column in the Excel output, we loop through the column and get the maximum length of each column. We also need column index. We acquire it with get_log by passing in the column. Now we can call the writer object and set the sheet name and also set the columns, and we will provide column_idx and give it the column length. This will fit the text in each column in the Excel output. Finally, we return the buffer value at the end of this function. Let's move back to send_dataframe function. We declare a myMultipart object, and to the myMultipart attribute we set from email to email and the subject passed to this function. We loop through the exporter dictionary just in case if there are multiple files. We declare an attachment variable of type myMapplication. myMapplication takes raw byte data. Within myMapplication, we call the dictionary with file name and data frame. Data frame is converted to the buffer object and saved to the attachment variable. We set the content disposition of the attachment and attach this object to the multipart. Our email attachment is set. Now we can also attach our template to the multipart as myMtext. All we are left with is to send our email via SMTP. So we have our SMTP server, login credentials, and then we send the email. Let's try this out. I will scroll up to the cell where we have called the send_dataframe function. I will execute this cell. Cell is executing successfully. We see our territory and email printed out. I'll give this few seconds to complete as this loop runs through each of the territories and filtering out the data and then attaching that data to the email and sending these out. I will open the inbox and see the outcome. Our email message came through. We see the HTML template in the body, and our data frame is attached as a formatted Excel file. Let's go ahead and open our attachment. Here is our formatted data frame. Text is fitted in each column based on the text length. It looks good right off the bat. This file only contains data for Canada. Also, we have gradient highlighting based on the numeric values. Let me go ahead and open the second one. I just want to make sure that it is for Central Territory. We can cross-check this against our dictionary key. Data is split by the key, and this inbox is receiving Central and Canada's file. So this is how we automate Excel reports in Python. We split the data per requirements and send the relevant data to stakeholders. So this is how we send relevant Excel reports via email to a list of recipients. We filter the data per user's request and only email them the territories they're interested in. This is all for now. If you like the content, be sure to like and subscribe. Post any questions or comments that you may have, and see you in the next video.